Canva is a powerful and intuitive design tool that has revolutionized the way people create visual content, whether you're a student, a small business owner, or simply someone with a creative spark. Canva makes it possible to design everything from social media graphics to presentations, all without the need for advanced graphic design skills. In this comprehensive guide for beginners, we'll walk step by step through how to get started with Canva, explore its main features, and share tips for creating eye-catching designs with ease. To begin, start by setting up your Canva account. Visit the Canva website and sign up using your email address, Google or Facebook account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by a clean and organized dashboard. Here you'll see a search bar at the top, menus for templates, and sections for your recent designs and folders. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout, as it will be your creative hub. Now let's dive into creating your first design. Click on the Create a Design button, and you'll be given a choice of formats, such as Instagram posts, posters, presentations, or custom dimensions. For beginners, starting with a template can be incredibly helpful. Canva offers thousands of professionally designed templates for nearly every purpose. Select a template that suits your needs. You can always customize it later. Once inside the design workspace, you'll notice a toolbar on the left side. This is your gateway to Canva's design elements. You can add text, photos, shapes, icons, charts, and more. To add or change an image, click on Photos and search Canvas. Vast library of free and premium images. Drag and drop your chosen photo onto your canvas. You can resize, crop, and adjust it using the corners and toolbar above the canvas. Adding text is just as easy. Click the Text tab, choose from a variety of text styles, or simply add a heading, subheading, or body text. Once placed, you can change the font color, size, alignment, and even add effects like shadows or outlines. Remember, less is often more. Keep your fonts clear and easy to read. If you want to make your design truly unique, explore the Elements section. Here you'll find shapes, lines, stickers, frames, and icons that can add flair to your project. Use styles to quickly apply color palettes and font pairings that are visually harmonious. Canva also allows you to upload your own images, logos, and fonts, making it easy to maintain brand consistency. If you're designing for business, another powerful feature is the Background tab. You can select solid colors, gradients, patterns, or even upload your own background image. Adjust the transparency or layer elements to create depth and visual interest. Collaboration is seamless in Canva. You can share your design with others by clicking the Share button and entering their email address, or by sending a direct link. Team members can comment, edit, and contribute in real time, making it perfect for group projects or feedback sessions when your design is complete. Exporting is a breeze. Click Download and choose your preferred file type: PNG for high-quality images, JPG for web use, or PDF for print. You can even download designs with transparent backgrounds or directly publish to social media platforms from within Canva. To get the most out of Canva, don't hesitate to explore its tutorials, blog, and design school for inspiration and advanced tips. As you practice, you'll discover shortcuts and techniques that speed up your workflow and enhance your creativity. With its user-friendly interface and rich feature set, Canva empowers anyone to design with confidence. Start experimenting today, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your skills grow. Whether for work, school, or personal projects, Canva is your gateway to professional-looking designs. No experience required.